As an AT&T employee, one of your biggest decisions is choosing when to retire. Financially, it's an easy question to answer. You determine your monthly expenses, then figure out whether or not the money you've saved and your retirement income plan will cover them. But retirement is about more than just money. It's also about lifestyle. Do you want to travel, pursue a hobby again, start a new business, or move to a warmer climate? That's why it's best to consult with a financial advisor before you make this big decision. At Quest Financial, we'll help you assess your retirement plan and suggest strategies that will help you stay on track and achieve the retirement you envision. For more information on how Quest Financial can help you plan for retirement, go online or call us for a no-obligation consultation today.